Hello everyone, here's another strat for you. Well, it's already on the channel this afternoon. It's the winning strategy, but this strategy is going to be used in financial markets. So I will quickly expand the strategy. In this case, it is entry curse. Right now, I enter automatically, not based on the explanation. And now we're going to use 30 seconds on time frame and classic candles, guys. So let's start with that. Alright, now as a user for another one, we're gonna set up this one on 1 minute and a half and $38 for this one. The Williams, we're gonna use fortune pure and that color is up to you. That's the same configuration for the other video. Alright, so guys, let's start with that. This is the ESA, alright, this is right near right now, which would be the entry point. Is look like I'm closing or more candle. In this case, looky close it at the trend. I see the price is rising over time. It means that the trend is upward, not down. But I have to wait for a confirmation because I don't know if the price will mitigate all this. Remember, the financial market does work with price options unless there's very strong new that causes very sudden movements. We need to be careful of that. Finding new passes on the price, it should happen in waves. So I'm going to wait with these guys to make this entry. You need to get a correction, right? If I have an entry on another pair, when I get it, I will take this plate in here, alright? Here we have a good pullback on the upside right now. You can see the right line, okay? And because of that, we click on the buy button. It's already giving me the entry. It's already giving me the entry up here, okay? If I enter on this strategy, the entry give on this candle, but wow. As I may have been careless of the fall as leave for a moment, my entry process is much better. I'm fine apart from that. If we analyze it from price action point of view, we are in kind of support. So I think that is confluence with the strategy and technical analysis. So I'm going to wait to see the first what is happening with that. Alright? So that is pretty nice, guys. Okay, look here. The candle scores entry point. That is almost a win according to the strategy. Is giving me an entry and this is providing to be right. Okay, almost there, 3 seconds and got this one. The first winning guys win the position. They'll see this pair. Okay, that's what we're seeing. That's $6-7. It's easier. Maybe the financial market could be good. All right, on the first trade. Same criteria. Look for a new entry. It's marked here on the path through the line. I'll enter the downside. Need to pay attention on the boundaries, guys. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. And that's the hold it bullish for this one. It's more difficult, so that's another type entry, but risky. Okay, so sell button for this. I enter to what that's Euro CDF, so let's add it to the favorites. Okay, then what? The William right now it's showing the 3 lines. The green is one is there. Okay, there's the red one, intermediate not the internet, and it's called be used to the cook entries. Of course, based on the price movement, so I could be enter at very low point, the price would drop. Or that I enter at a very high point, I lose as well. But if you in the favor of the trends, that's good. Let's mark it. Okay, look at this. So doing the analysis here, it's more or less support level. That's where one says, oops. But it's okay. The rent here support levels below. Could I make profits? Maybe. In the case, it's very, very risky. Although the Williams indicator shows me more or less downward trends, I'm going to take into account support zones based on the fact that it took a red. I'm not going to enter because it's bearish, but there could be reversal and you could lose this. All right, so let's see that then. 30 seconds again. The price is falling, guys. Look at that. That's where the reaction. Yeah, that is not the right time for the entry. Everything's very low point because sometimes it happens that little in the last few seconds, depending on the weather, you win or lose the trade. Let's see this. 2 seconds. Oh my god, man, we got this. Thank you, man. $125 of profit. We got this. The price of sport also something to do with that, right? If you see that the entry point is very low and very high, guys, it's better not to enter. Wait for this. I'm waiting for this. And now let's try to all win on this. $126. Let's go, man. I know the willing support is there, right? So that is pretty nice. Sometimes it's confused with that total. It's very low. And that's the buy button. Look at the reliance. That's important. Okay. I enter where I should enter. But it's a bullish reaction point and now that. However, that previous entry was very waste because playing in the middle ground. But it's good because I'm explaining the live more than anything else been making this video. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. And the idea is to learn, to use the indicator and the financial markets. Financial markets more is not an enter sport. It's going to break. Sometimes there's a very good reaction. Okay, but really, the financial market does respect the zone. Of course, if it's the total several times, it's reached a point where to break because it's no longer has liquidated. Well, I'm going to this, waiting for that seconds one, and we got this, man. The third one, that's $236 when we got this. Very good, guys. The last second of third trade. The trade is won because it had case my analysis tell me that support level. Everything's key. That's Williams out showing it to me. The third trade is clear criteria. The second was not aware. As I say that, it was explained to win. Maybe it was luck. Yes, because it's very risky, guys. But the idea is I'll show the risk position. Invite you to leave your comments on the channels to see how the strategy works for you and to see this always work financial market indicator with the price action. Which can be very, very effective. See you in the next video, guys. See you on the daily video sessions on the YouTube channel. Have a great day. See you later. Bye-bye.